Hey friends, if the NVIDIA Kernal Mode Driver has stopped responding and has recovered, if you encounter this error, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. My first approach towards the resolution is to reinstall the drivers properly, and this will fix the problem. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters, right click on the NVIDIA one and select uninstall device. And don't reinstall it yet, I'll tell you the right way to reinstall it. Open your web browser, search for NVIDIA drivers. Click on this, go to official NVIDIA drivers. Okay. Now select the product category, mine is GeForce. Okay, and then I will select the 30 series notebooks one. You need to be very correct with this, and mine is the 3050 Ti GPU and I have Windows 11. Okay, once all of these parameters are correct, click on find. It will start locating the drivers, and then you can scroll down. This is for both Windows and Windows 11, and then you can click on view. Okay, and then you can download the drivers and then click on open. I won't click on open, otherwise it will reinstall the drivers, but you can click on open to reinstall the NVIDIA display drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.